right, so here we go. We're gonna try some skating. This is gonna be Richie's little helper.
I'm gonna sit here.
Yeah, you can. So this is your first time, right?
Yeah.
All right.
First time in the snow.
Wow. And I am definitely an amateur on this.
Wala, Dustin. I don't think I can get in. What is this?
Hold on. Make sure you hold on. Really, be careful.
No.
Maybe you should sit down on his lap.
I can get in.
All right, take your time. Really, really slow. All right, I'll go behind you. Oh, we just take it really slow. Until we only have 2 hours. We might not leave the beginning area. Our 2 hours is up.
Wow. So shout out to all the, what's that, skiers?
Figure skaters, ice hockey players, yeah.
I didn't know it's very hard.
It's not easy, yeah.
And then they move like turn around, split in the middle, just use their one leg.
This is one of the things that I could never really get the hang of is ice skating. It's difficult. Yeah, did you feel the ground?
Yeah.
It's really cold, isn't it? You know, by my house, in the winter time, the little rivers all turn to this. All turn to ice, just like this. Good. I think you're going a little too fast. You might need to slow down. So we pretty much had this whole place to ourselves. Want to try to go around one time without the bear? They hold like this. All right, ready? Here we go.
I got an easy job. And I'm faster than them.
Turning is kind of hard. Hopefully don't hit the wall.
Don't foul. Let's beat them. It's a bumpy road.
Since we first got here until now, you really improved. That's really good. You did.
I am holding the bear. It's sweating.
You have the grip of your life on the ears. That poor bear.
This is very important.
All right, here's our last hurrah. We're gonna race to the door. Look at that. Remember before? You couldn't even make it in the door. Now you're a pro. All right, hey guys, so we just got back from Cebu City, and look who we ran into. What's up, bro? He's making some chairs right now. He's been busy since the video aired. Catherine has made a bench, and then some other videos as well. So we're gonna take him back to Jason's house and do some measurements and get some things going for the house too. So you wanna come with us? We'll take a ride up there and we'll meet you guys at the house. So here's the outside covering so far. They got that side, and then working along this way. All this, and there to that point now. And I just noticed they're starting to put the gutter on right there, the PVC. So now they can start collecting rain and use it when they need it. Alright guys, we just finished talking with Jason and Macario, and this is like the rough idea of what we're going to do. We're going to get 3 chairs out here and a table. So you can kind of imagine what that might look like. Then inside, there's going to be like 2 rooms here. There's going to be a divider here, and then a wall going this way. So in the middle here is going to be like the TV stand, something in there. And then right here there's going to be a bench, kind of like the one we got for Lola. So right there, Jason didn't want to block the window, so we're going to leave that open. And then in here, this is going to be Jason's room, and we're going to make them a bamboo bed in here. We're going to make a bunk bed in the kids' room. So I think we're going to build the bottom a little bit bigger, and then the top like a single. So that'll be really interesting to see how that's made. So that's the rough idea. So if you can get an idea of what it might look like, so I'll be standing in one room here, and that'll be Jason's room over there. We'll have 2 beds in each room, and then the door will be somewhere in here, and then the divider will be there, or not the divider, but the TV stand will be here, and then a bench, and then the table will be out here with the chairs. So very cool. I'm excited about all that. So yeah, so Rich and I just got back from Cebu City, so it's kind of later in the day, but we're probably just gonna head back and relax a little bit. It was a long road, a long ride coming back from Cebu City. Just the traffic was pretty bad today, but it was kind of fun testing out that new bridge that they just finished making. Last time I was here, it was almost done, and I didn't get to ride it yet, so this time it was kind of fun going there and back on it. But anyway, I guess this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.